All right, so it is, what day is it today? It's Wednesday, and I just finished editing the vlog that's going out tomorrow, but I thought why not just get on it and start the next vlog. So I'm about to do a Pilates class because I have to leave for work in about an hour. And since I'm done everything I really want to do today, I'm going to do a quick Pilates class before I head out to work, and then I'll get ready to head out. Every time I walk by this tree, it just makes me so happy, but I can't reach the plug, so I'll just plug it in. I just love this nutcracker. This is actually a funny story. I forgot to post this on the vlog because I need to tell a whole story behind it. I was putting him up last, and I always save my favorite decorations for last. It's like my tradition, so I always save my favorite decorations for last. Putting him up on the tree, and as I put him up, he fell down the cracks of the stairs all the way like almost to the basement, and his arm fell off, and so did his head, or his hat, not his head but his hat. So it was quite literally like the movie or the story slash ballet, The Nutcracker. Well, aside from the fact that I didn't get him as a present. Well, I did, because my mom brought him over. My mom brought all of these decorations over, so it was a present, but I wasn't fighting with my brother with the Nutcracker, and then he fell out of our hands, and then, oh my gosh. If you, in the back, that wasn't English. If you've seen the Nutcracker, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but it was just kind of eerie how similar my experience was putting up this Nutcracker toy, and then he broke, just like in the fairy tale. I just always have to have like cozy vibes if I'm doing yoga or stretching. I might actually do yoga today. Maybe I'll do more of a yoga class because I am going into work and I need to feel like zen but still energized, you know what I mean? Pilates is great, and I honestly feel really good today and motivated, but I know today is a day I should take as a rest day because yesterday was really heavy with exercise, with the cycling class and teaching and being out a lot during the day and lots of walking, and ballet this morning. So I might just do like a yoga inspired Pilates, but I'm gonna do one on YouTube because I've been trying to prioritize taking classes lately, as I am a dance teacher and a personal trainer and instructor, and I post YouTube videos on here for you guys. I feel like I've been neglecting myself in a way that I'm not taking classes anymore, and that's one of my favorite things about dance and yoga and fitness is taking the classes myself. And when you become a trainer, or like, I don't want to say like an expert because there's so many things to learn, but when you become kind of like someone who leads these kinds of classes, usually you kind of forget that, oh yeah, you can be a student too sometimes. So I've been trying to prioritize taking classes, and that's what today is. I thought about filming a workout and I was like, you know what? I love filming workouts. I'm going to do one tomorrow, but I'm going to follow one today. I'm going to be a student today. Okay, Google, turn on all lights. Okay, there's a 35-minute Pilates with Move with Nicole. I like Move with Nicole, but 35 minutes is quite a long time, and I should leave in 45 minutes. So maybe let's do more like 20 minutes. Finished the Pilates class. I definitely remember this one, and I remember doing it like a few years ago in our old house. So I was like, oh, I feel like I have an idea of what happens next, and it was the exact same one. But I just blew out the candle because I don't want to forget because I'm about to leave for work. So I'm not going to change pants. I didn't sweat once, and I'm going to shower when I get back from work because I definitely sweat a lot at work. So I'll shower when I get back. But I'm just going to throw on a sweater. Might change my top, but other than that, I'm just going to get ready to go. Actually, I've just decided I am going to rinse off, but I don't need to wash my hair because I washed it yesterday, but I am going to rinse off super quick and change just so I feel good. On another note, I've been getting into painting glass bottles again. I'm trying to do this like lavender, and I'm going to do some bumblebees around the top. I've also done these two glass bottles. This one's probably my favorite. It's just so like, I don't know, baby colors, like baby pink, baby blue, baby purple, I don't know. I like this one too though. It's got these like violets and stuff, so I'm getting into that again because it's fun. It's a good pastime in the winter. And I'll link the pens that I use in my bio. Good morning, guys. Today it is Thursday, and I have lots of laundry to catch up on. In the last vlog, I didn't finish everything because I literally started the laundry. It was still going by the time I left. So now that I have some time this morning, I'm going to fold and sort and put it away. I'm gonna make the bed. And then I think I'm just gonna take it easy today. I did a ballet class and a Pilates class yesterday. Then again, I'm really into cycling and I've been cycling every other day since Sunday. So I cycled Sunday, Tuesday, and today's Thursday, but I don't know if I want to cycle today or tomorrow. Definitely not Saturday because Saturday's the Santa Claus parade. I'll be out all day, so I will not have time, nor will I even be home. So maybe I will cycle today because I'm also at work tomorrow and I won't have time. I think I'm gonna cycle today. Plus, it's a hair wash day. Well, I could probably survive another day of my hair like this and then wash it like tonight before bed, but I like trying to couple really dirty, gross chores or really sweaty workouts with washing my hair because I have really long hair, if you haven't noticed. So it's such a pain to wash because it takes ages to dry. So I try to limit the washing 2 times that I really, really need to. But anyways, we are going to make the bed. I went to dance last night, got back late, and then just watched some TV, ate some dinner, and we barely have any food at the house. So I might have to do a grocery shop at some point, either this morning or tomorrow, we'll see. But that's about it. Let's make the bed and put the laundry away. Okay. Right in the morning. I love this throw that I got at Winners. Love it. Or HomeSense, I guess. I still have to put out these little towels. I haven't had a chance to put these out yet, but they're little ballerina and Christmas tree towels, but I'm kind of saving putting them out until it's closer to Christmas, even though I have my Christmas bed sheets on, which I'll do these bed sheets tomorrow because I just ran out of detergent. One load, second load. So I totally forgot I got these tongue scrapers like months ago. So I'm going to try one and I'll let you know how it goes. This is what it looks like. And you basically just like scrape your tongue with it. It's so odd. So weird, but let's go. I just put my hair back. I'm going to film a quick workout and then I'll probably either cycle or just shower and get ready for the day. But first I need to get changed out of these pajamas. So the top is from Lululemon and the pants are from Pop Flex. I'm gonna throw on a pair of white ankle socks because I feel like that just looks cute with the workout outfit. And then I'm going to film a quick, I think I'm gonna do like a 20-minute Pilates for dancers so I can post that when I don't have time to vlog in December or even in the next few weeks. I'll be super busy, and especially in the new year, which I'll tell you guys more about when things are more finalized. But yeah, I'm going to quickly film a workout. This is the fit. I love this top from Lulu. I just never wear it because it is a bit small and it's hard to get on and off because of all the straps. And you can tell it's a bit small, but whatever. I like it. It's comfy. I mean, it's not comfy because it's too small, but I'm just going to wear it and hopefully stretch it out. Kind of a gloomy day if I'm being real, but I'm heading into work in a little bit and I have like 20 minutes to do a flat ballet bar super quickly. So I'm gonna do that just because, again, I don't have that much time. And I'm also pretty sore from my Pilates workout yesterday. If you don't know, I posted a Pilates workout a few days ago. I guess I filmed it yesterday, but it should be posted before this vlog goes out. But anyway, posted the video. I really had to do the workout 2 times through. So 40 minutes of exercise nonstop because the camera stopped recording, which yay. Anyways, so I'm very sore because I had to do everything twice. I got through like half the workout, the video, and then I just had to repeat the second half, so it ended up being like a 40-minute workout versus 20 because I just added more anyways in the end. So yeah, I'm gonna do a ballet class but keep it flat because I'm pretty sore, and that's that, and then head into work.